Today we will discuss the answer of this question. How can I gain weight without eating too much? To gain weight, you will likely need to consume additional calories. You can avoid overeating too much and make sure that the excess calories go to your muscles instead of just your fat cells by starting a resistance training program. Resistance training or strength training includes body weight exercise and free weights. Resistance training leads to muscle hypertrophy, which increases muscle mass. Combining protein supplementation with resistance training can promote additional gains in lean body mass beyond those gained by resistance exercise alone. One study found that protein supplementation during resistance training of 6 weeks increased lean mass growth by 27% in healthy adults. If you are new to training, consider hiring a qualified trainer or taking a class to help you get started if this is possible for you. You may also want to consult with a doctor if you have skeletal problems or any medical issues. To maximize muscle mass, it's best to focus on resistance training over cardio. Doing some cardio can help to improve fitness and well being, but you may want to avoid doing so much that you end up burning all the additional calories you are eating. Summary: lifting heavy weights and improving your strength through resistance training can help you gain muscle mass.